He entered as as many seventh grade boys do, like very rambunctious, but his energy was like to the 10th degree, right? Like he was incredibly hyper, had a really difficult time focusing. And in our like fourth session together, it was like, yeah, I know I'm a bad kid. I'm like, whoa, hold up, like you are hyper. That's not the same thing as like being bad. And he like, what clicked for me and in talking to mom was like, oh, he's internalized like 6 years of messaging saying like, oh no, you're bad at school, you're misbehaved. When the reality is like, you're just really hyper. And I think being able to have that honest conversation with mom, that like, hey, he's like internalized some like negative messaging. And I want us both to be upfront to say like, no, the reality is you just have a lot of energy. We got to channel it somewhere. He didn't like sports, which was a little bit of a hiccup, but we found strategies just to help him like focus in class. We looked into potential like student services that could help him. Like we honored the fact that like, you know, he had unique educational needs, and if we met those, that he could thrive. By January, February, he was in the back of class on like our flexible seating, like bouncy balls, like working out 2-step equations on a whiteboard, like with relative ease, right?